Peppers bring bold color and flavor to any garden, whether you prefer them sweet or spicy. To get large, thick-walled fruits packed with nutrients, it helps to give your pepper plants a little extra care. This easy homemade fertilizer is made from simple ingredients and gives your plants everything they need to thrive. Start with the base. Grind 1 tablespoon of buckwheat into a fine powder using a spice grinder or coffee mill. Add the powder to half a liter of warm water. Buckwheat is naturally rich in potassium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong flower formation and fruit development. It also improves root health and boosts the plant's stress resistance. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey acts as a natural growth enhancer, feeding beneficial microbes in the soil and helping the plant absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's especially helpful during fruiting, giving your peppers the energy they need to produce firm, juicy pods. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of dried basil powder. Basil isn't just fragrant. It's a powerful protector against insects like aphids and whiteflies. It also helps keep fungal infections like powdery mildew and late blight under control, giving your peppers a healthier environment to grow in. Mix everything thoroughly and let it steep for at least 3 hours. Once the mixture is ready, strain it and dilute it with 2 more liters of water. Water each pepper plant with about 300 milliliters of the solution every 15 days. If you enjoyed this natural recipe, share it with other gardeners to spread the goodness. Thanks for watching and see you next time in the garden.